With enhanced fuel efficiency, an inverter generator allows you to power devices and appliances without wasting energy. There are many products available to choose inverter generators, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best inverter generators from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Westinghouse Portable Inverter Generator. This 4,500 watt inverter generator lasts for up to 18 hours because of its large 3.4-gallon fuel tank. The control panel on the back of the unit includes sensors that let you know how much fuel is left in the unit and how much power it can supply. What customers are saying. Customers complimented this generator's power, which was sufficient to act as a source of backup power in the event of a blackout. Many customers said that this unit worked out of the box and performed flawlessly with both the manual and electric start options. However, some customers received units with upside-down outlets. What we like about it. Has 2 wheels and a telescoping handle for easy transportation. Has a digital display that alternates between showing the fuel level, power output, voltage output, remaining runtime, and lifetime runtime. Is compatible with a parallel kit to connect with other. Number 2. When portable inverter generator. This lightweight, compact inverter generator produces 2,250 watts of power. Its lower output is perfect for charging phones, computers, and other small electronics. Plus, it's compliant with the California Air Resources Board's clean energy requirements. What customers are saying. Customers who loved this generator praised its sturdy but lightweight build and sufficient portable power output. Most customers who tested this generator at a high altitude found that it worked just as well as it did at lower altitudes. However, some customers received a defective model, with the generator surging or displaying an overload error when nothing was connected to it. What we like about it. Has a lightweight body that weighs 49 pounds. Comes with 2 3-prong 15A120V receptacles and 2 5V USB ports to charge multiple devices. Operates at 53 decibels at a quarter loud, making it about as loud as a quiet conversation. Number 3. Champion Power Equipment Inverter Generator. This heavy-duty inverter generator offers 4,500 watts of power to run multiple devices at once. It comes with an RV port, 2 household outlets, an automotive outlet, and a dual-port USB adapter. What customers are saying. Many Amazon users were shocked that this unit was able to charge sensitive electronics with clean power while maintaining a super quiet sound level. Number 4. Duramax Hybrid Portable Generator. With its dual-fuel technology, this generator can operate using gas or propane. The unit is evenly balanced on 4 wheels, making it easy to cart around wherever you need it. For convenience, the inverter generator also has a remote start feature. What customers are saying. Positively, customers who reviewed this portable inverter generator said that it was relatively quiet, set up easily right out of the box, and valued the LED displays to indicate the number of watts-amps being used. Negatively, some users wished that the generator had a 50-amp circuit and thought that all of the outlet covers were a nuisance. What we like about it. Has a low oil sensor to warn users before any issues arise. Can connect to a compatible automatic transfer switch. Number 5. When 4,000-watt open-frame inverter generator. This entry-level inverter generator has an open-frame design and a decently sized 1.8-gallon fuel tank to provide users with up to 4,000 watts of power and 7 hours of run time. Despite its open-frame design, the generator is safe to grab using the attached trails. What customers are saying. Overall, users who were happy with this inverter generator said that it was excellent value for the money. They included that the build quality was impressive for a budget inverter generator. Conversely, some customers said that the unit was louder than they anticipated. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.